Not every rewards app needs the latest smartphone, and several popular apps continue to run well on older Android devices, while offering legitimate ways to earn gift cards, cash, or shopping rewards. By the end, you'll know 5 reward apps that are worth trying on an older phone, and which one makes the most sense for the way you earn. Let's start with the most accessible option. Number 5 is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is one of the easiest apps to use because most of the work happens after you scan eligible shopping receipts. You don't need powerful hardware or long gaming sessions, making it a solid choice if your phone struggles with demanding apps. Number 4 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks gives you multiple earning options, including surveys, shopping rewards, web searches, games, and promotional offers. If one feature feels slow on your device, you can simply switch to another without leaving the app. Number 3 is Cashkick. Cashkick focuses on surveys, sponsored offers, and selected mobile games. Users with older phones can skip hardware-intensive games and complete surveys or offers that place much less demand on their device. Now let's look at apps designed around gaming. Number 2 is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play recommends eligible mobile games and rewards you for reaching gameplay milestones. Many casual games require far fewer system resources than high-end mobile titles, giving older phones a better chance of running them smoothly. The top recommendation is Freecash. Freecash combines mobile games, surveys, app testing, and promotional offers in one platform. That flexibility is valuable because if your phone can't handle one game, you can move to another offer or complete a survey instead of stopping altogether. No matter which app you choose, older hardware performs much better when you keep storage available. Delete apps you no longer use, clear cached files occasionally, and close background applications before starting a reward app. Those simple steps can reduce crashes and improve loading times without upgrading your phone. You should also pay attention to each app's current device requirements before installing it. Some features or offers may only appear on supported Android versions, and individual games inside reward platforms often have their own compatibility requirements. To summarize, Fetch Rewards is great for receipt scanning. Swagbucks offers the widest variety of earning methods. Cashkick works well if you prefer surveys. Rewarded Play is ideal for casual gaming. And Freecash stands out because it gives you several ways to earn if one activity isn't compatible with your device. If this comparison helped you find a rewards app that works on your phone, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews, comparisons, and earning guides.